Step-by-step guide to Google Ads for beginners. If you're new to the world of online advertising, Google Ads can seem like a complex landscape to navigate. But fear not, as this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of setting up and managing your first Google Ads campaign. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to create effective ads that reach your target audience and drive desired actions. Begin by grasping the concept of Google Ads. It's a platform developed by Google that enables businesses to create ads and display them on Google's search engine results page, partner websites, and various Google platforms like YouTube. These ads operate on a pay-per-click (PPC) model, meaning you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Define your goals before diving into creating ads. Are you looking to drive website traffic, generate leads, increase sales, or boost brand awareness? Having clear objectives will guide your campaign setup and optimization efforts. If you don't already have a Google Ads account, sign up for one. Navigate to the Google Ads homepage and follow the prompts to create your account. Provide essential information like your business name, website, and billing details. Start by creating your first campaign. Choose the campaign type that aligns with your goals. Google Ads offers various campaign types, including search, display, video, shopping, and app campaigns. Within your chosen campaign type, you'll need to configure settings such as location targeting, language preferences, and budget. Set a daily budget that you're comfortable with, as this is the maximum amount you're willing to spend each day on your campaign. For a search campaign, keyword research is crucial. Identify keywords relevant to your products or services that potential customers might use when searching on Google. Use tools like Google's Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords and estimate their search volumes. Ad groups help you organize your ads and target specific keywords. Each ad group should revolve around a theme or set of related keywords. This structure enhances the relevance of your ads and improves your quality score. Write persuasive ad copy that entices users to click. Each ad should have a catchy headline, a clear description, and a compelling call to action, CTA. Highlight your unique selling points and benefits. Ad extensions enhance your ads by providing additional information. They include site link extensions, direct users to specific pages, callout extensions, highlight key features, and location extensions, display business address. Decide how much you're willing to pay for each click, CPC, or conversion, CPA. Google offers automated bidding strategies if you're unsure. Set your daily budget, which determines how much you're willing to spend on the campaign each day. Implement conversion tracking to measure the success of your campaigns. Track actions that align with your goals, such as purchases, sign-ups, or downloads. This data will help you optimize your campaigns for better results. Step 12. Launching your campaign. Review all your settings and ad copy before launching the campaign. Once you're satisfied, click the Launch button to set your campaign live. Your ads will start appearing in relevant search results and other placements. Step 13. Monitoring and optimization. Regularly monitor your campaign's performance through the Google Ads dashboard. Keep an eye on metrics like click-through rate, center, conversion rate, and return on investment, ROI. Make adjustments based on the data you gather. Step 14. A/B testing. Test different variations of your ads to identify what resonates best with your audience. Experiment with different headlines, descriptions, and CTAs to improve your ad performance over time. Step 15. Ad quality and relevance. Google rewards ads that are relevant to user search queries. This is where quality score comes into play. Quality score is a metric that evaluates the quality and relevance of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. A higher quality score can lead to better ad placements and lower costs. To improve your quality score, focus on creating well-targeted ads, using relevant keywords, and ensuring your landing pages match users' expectations. Step 16. Geographic and demographic targeting. Google Ads allows you to precisely target your ads based on geography and demographics. You can choose to display your ads only to users in specific locations or to certain age groups, genders, and more. This ensures that your ads are reaching the most relevant audience for your business. Step 17. Ad scheduling. Ad scheduling lets you control when your ads are shown. You can adjust your campaigns to run during specific hours of the day or certain days of the week. This is particularly useful if you want to target users during peak business hours or when your target audience is most active. Step 18. Display network and remarketing. Beyond search ads, Google Ads also offers the display network, which spans a wide range of websites, apps, and platforms where your ads can appear. Additionally, remarketing allows you to target users who have previously visited your website. These strategies expand your reach and keep your brand in front of potential customers. Step 19. Video advertising. For those interested in video marketing, Google Ads offers YouTube advertising options. You can create compelling video ads and target them to specific demographics, interests, and keywords. Video ads on YouTube can help you engage with users in a visually appealing and interactive manner. Step 20. Mobile advertising. Given the prevalence of mobile devices, it's essential to optimize your ads for mobile users. Google Ads allows you to create mobile-friendly ads and even target users specifically on mobile devices. Ensure your landing pages are responsive and load quickly on mobile devices for a seamless user experience. Step 21. Budget allocation and scaling. As your campaigns gain traction and you start seeing positive results, consider scaling your efforts. Allocate more budget to well-performing campaigns and ad groups, and experiment with different keywords and ad variations. Keep a close eye on your analytics to ensure you're achieving the desired return on investment. Step 22. Competitor analysis. Regularly monitor your competitors' ads and strategies. Google's Auction Insights report provides insights into how your ads compare to those of your competitors. Analyzing their approach can help you identify areas for improvement and stay ahead in your industry. Step 23. Continuous learning. Google Ads is a dynamic platform, and staying up to date with the latest features and trends is essential. Google offers resources like the Google Ads Help Center and Academy to help you refine your skills and strategies. By following these step-by-step instructions, you'll be well on your way to creating and managing successful Google Ads campaigns. Remember that practice and experimentation are key to finding the best approach for your specific business and goals.